Looking for a reliable solution to prevent backflow in your pipelines? Meet the Bwintech check valve. Crafted from high-strength stainless steel, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and can handle temperatures up to 180 degrees Celsius and pressures up to 16 bars. Its compact design and perfect sealing ensure no leaks, making installation and maintenance simple. Ideal for fuels, liquids, gases, and corrosive fluids, the Bwintech check valve keeps your systems running smoothly. You'll find the purchase in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Kudos check valve, a RoHS-approved 15mm single check valve designed for domestic plumbing, heating, and industrial systems. Crafted from durable brass, it offers easy installation, reliable backflow prevention, and optimal water flow performance. Its robust construction and maintenance-friendly design ensure long-lasting, safe operation while helping to conserve water and protect the environment. Perfect for both professionals and enthusiasts, this valve guarantees system hygiene and efficiency. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the FTVOGUE check valve, a must-have for your fluid and pneumatic systems. Designed to prevent reverse flow, this one-way valve withstands high temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, ensuring durability and reliability. It also resists weak acids, alkalis, dibutyl acrylate, and silane, with an opening pressure of 0.015 megapascals and a reverse back pressure of 1.0 megapascals. Precise control. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable solution to prevent backflow in your fluid systems? Check out the GASHER check valve. Made with a durable brass valve body and stainless steel spring, it offers excellent corrosion resistance, high temperature flexibility, and low magnetic permeability. This 3/4 inch valve is easy to install and disassemble, providing a tight seal with no leaks. Suitable for fuel, air, liquid, oil, or gas pipelines, it's perfect for various measuring devices and connections. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.